What you doing now, Dave?
I'm looking for a loose electrical connection in the RV.
What's going on?
Well, I'll show you. Slam the door closed. The TV goes out. Then comes back on.
We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels. We roll, we camp, and yeah, we play. Oh, let me see that. Do that again. Oh, that's weird.
Yeah.
Any other issues?
Plus the outlet in the bathroom back in the rear bath trips the GFI in this bathroom. So I'm thinking it's all on the same line somehow. And the loose connection's causing that GFI to trip and the TV to black in and out. I think it all starts right here. This is the circuit breakers. We're going to go through that and look for a loose connection.
Hey, what and where?
The red one in the left-hand side.
Uh-huh. Like that?
Push it in, yeah.
Uh-huh.
All right, now black one in the other one, and it'll should light up in your hand. You tell me when that thing goes out.
All right. There it's off.
All right. Okay, see now the TV isn't off.
Then they're not associated with each other? Back on.
Yeah, I'm gonna look for the TV. Okay, that's good. AVTV. Hey, there you go. That's the TV.
TV's off, okay.
The vibration hits right here when the door closes. So I'm thinking that it's got to be here, that something's loose.
So that's just for the TV. We don't know about the GFI yet.
Nah, don't know about that one. We'll figure that out later. TV's on a ground fault. Wonder why that is. Probably because it's by the sink.
Wiggle something to make it work?
I don't know.
Seems like it.
Oh boy.
This streak goes on.
I can swap out the breaker next to it.
Yeah. Off. Dang. Time to try something else.
I'm gonna hook the TV to an extension cord to a different outlet. Plugged in.
Slam the door. Hell. That's still going out.
So, I don't know what the hell it is. The actual power wire is a little flat wire. And this isn't. This wire.
Okay. So you're thinking there's a junction in here someplace?
Somewhere behind this bar.
Yeah, but there's a piece of wood there.
Now. But. What the hell? What's this wire go to?
When you're wiggling stuff, I'll let you know if the TV goes out.
Okay. Now this goes up. There's another plug here.
TV's out.
TV back out, huh?
Yeah.
Bet you this is the culprit.
Let me see what you're looking at. Oh, at least that's one you can get to. What did you do to make it go out?
I unplugged it.
Oh, I thought maybe you just wiggled it or something. What happens if you just wiggle it? Does it make any difference? That stayed on.
But where's this cord go? Feeds this thing. This is the power supply. to this box. I bet you that's our problem right here.
Try that one, huh? Okay, got that plugged in. Extension cord. Hey. That's it. So it's this one in the cabinet here.
Yeah.
Good job, Dave. Aw. Thought you had it.
I wonder if it's just the TV.
Well, there's the thought. Try jarring it.
No.
I don't think that's it either.
It's got something to do with this.
Okay, well, we don't have cable.
No.
Oh, we have power though.
It's the power connected to the splitter. I'm about ready to say, screw the splitter. Bypass this thing. This plug is real loose. I mean, it wiggles.
Sure does.
And just the vibration,
But you doing that, you'd think the TV would go off.
you think.
That's not. Try slamming the door. What are you going to try now?
Take that little box out of the loop.
Oh, go directly HDMI?
Yeah. Red shot to it. So that little box is out of the loop.
So it is the box that's in the back there?
Yeah. That splitter box.
Well, that's not a very good place to have to work.
No. That box has to be replaced. We'll just take the box out of the loop. So if we unplug this right here, plug this back in. So we take this cable back here, this yellow one, we pull that out of here, out of this box, and then we plug it into the back of this box. That won't give you TV in the bedroom, but
You never watch it in there anyways.
I know.
It's that natural, organic kind of feel on the inside. Really cool, effective lighting.
That's it.
Yeah.
So to fix this,
Probably have to get a new splitter box back there.
what about the GFI?
Well, that's project number 2. Well, if you still have the issue of the GFI tripping back there, or actually right here, to the plug back there. So I'll take a look how it's wired here. Go back there and take a look at how it's wired there.
What's with that?
Yeah, kind of different screws. Why?
Because it's an RV.
Because it's an RV. So, this could be a problem here. Being a GFI, as a ground wire, very important to be tied down right. And if it isn't, vibrations will trip the GFI. The thing that's got me wondering is this connection right here. Electrical tape. They have a Buchanan on it, which is a good thing. Put this one back together, it all looks pretty good. Seems the cheesiest of cheesy. See, look how cheesy these things are. They're just what they call stab locks. You would think with the amount of money these things cost. That? Really? I'd have to do a little carving. Yeah, then the other one, yeah, a little bit. If the GFI keeps faulting like that, it's a connection thing. Get a new pen. Also
goes in a clockwise motion. The rose are on the green one. We'll go turn the brake around and see if it works. 110 volt. This should probably take care of it.
So now you got the TV thing fixed, you got the GFI fixed. How many beers?
Well, let's see. 32.
Okay, why 32?
Well, it was more than just turning a screw. It was quite complicated. Went through about 6 or 7 different scenarios. As we were going through it, we found the GFI was cutting out and the TV was cutting out, and we thought it was, related, but it ended up being 2 different issues. I mean, a lot of brain power went off in here. With the TV issue, it was the splitter that went bad, and that's something I'll just take care of when I get back home.
So how many beers?
32.
32.
Keep asking, it's going to go to 34.
I think I'm gonna let you have it. That was a lot of trial and error.
What is the date?
Write it down.
Something bad's coming down the pipe. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Thanks for rolling with Wax on Wheels. Want to help our channel grow? Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell, or we'll come Jeep chasing ya. Hey, and leave us a comment. Even a quick hello makes our day. So roll, camp, play, and maybe fix something, and have a beer.